Hospitality Buzz, the Inside Scoop Season 2, brought to you by Hospitality Group, best jobs, best candidates and latest hospitality news in association with Homes R Us. Print partner, The Pro Chef. Radio partner, 106.2 Hum FM. Media partner, Warli Media. Transport partner, Aroma Rent-A-Car. Wardrobe partner, Ara Fashion. Production partner, 12th Reel Media Productions, Dubai. Marketing partner, Colors FZE.
Welcome to Hospitality Buzz, the Inside Scoop. I'm your host, Laura Buckwell, and today we are at the Country Club Hotel here in Dubai. Now, coming up on the show, we have a competition, the big dish, and so much more from the hospitality industry. Now, in the meantime, please do write into us to email at hospitalitybuzz.com, or why not join our Facebook page, Hospitality Buzz, for the latest updates. Now it's time for our Limelight section, where we've chosen a property for you.
When I walked into Oris Plaza Hotel, I was pleasantly surprised. Among the hustle and bustle of Al Barsha, this certainly is a hidden gem. Well-appointed rooms, great facilities, wonderful staff. I'm sure this is a must-try. David Milliken, the General Manager for Oris Plaza Hotel, is with me today. David, tell us more about the property here.
Plaza's been open now for just under 3 years, so we're fairly new in the market. One of our biggest selling points, I suppose, is the fact that we're sitting next to the second biggest mall in Dubai, the Mall of the Emirates, and we're a very family-orientated hotel. We have 52 suites, 2-bedroom suites. The hotel is a dry hotel. We don't serve alcohol, so we have fairly limited outlets in the hotel. We have a all-day dining restaurant called Didon, and we also have an a la carte restaurant called Zuri. And we also have a lounge for shisha and snacks, Al Jumayza. We have a swimming pool at the top of the hotel with full leisure facilities. We have a gym, we have ladies and gents spa, treatment rooms. We also have a couple of meetings rooms which are used very regularly for training sessions and companies using it.
Beata, the General Manager of Oris Metro Central Hotel Apartments, is with me today. Tell us more about your hotel.
Hi Raj, Metro Central Hotel Apartments. Quite a new hotel, it's been open about 3 years. And we're located in T-Com, which is halfway between downtown Dubai with Burj Khalifa and the new Dubai and Dubai Marina. It's 210 rooms, a very modern building. It's actually all apartments with kitchens, with washing machines, everything you need basically to feel at home. We look especially for catering to families, to people who are new to Dubai, who are looking for somewhere to stay for 6 months or a year.
Do you also have food and beverage facilities?
We have food and beverage facilities. We have a healthy restaurant. It's called Kekal. It specializes in healthy fast food. Definitely a concept worth trying. Okay, every meal that you eat there is guaranteed to be under 300 calories. We have a swimming pool and a gym on the rooftop. Great views all the way over the Palm. It's the location of the hotel that really makes the difference. We're located right beside Internet City Metro Station. The style of the hotel is very fresh and contemporary. It's quite a modern interior. It's very airy and light. The shape of the building, it's actually a round building, which means every single room is different. So even if you're a regular guest with us, every time you come back, you have a different style of room with a different feel to it.
Oris Group also has Oris Dera Hotel Apartments. John Watson is with us, General Manager for the hotel. Tell us more about it.
Oris Dera Hotel Apartments is situated in the heart of Dera, conveniently located very close to Al Riga metro station. The establishment has 140 apartments. They are come in 3 configurations. Studios of about 52 square meters, 1-bedroom apartments, some with open plan kitchen, and other 1-bedroom apartments with enclosed kitchens. The 1-bedroom apartments are 82 plus in square meters. The apartments are fully equipped with kitchen. In addition to the accommodation component, we also have a roof deck with a small swimming pool. We have a coffee shop style restaurant called Manino Cafe, which serves breakfast, a light menu during the day, and also offers room service options.
If it's hospitality, it's me. Today in the Celebrity Tip, we have Hina Hussain with us. Hina has been into the fashion industry for a decade and she always had a knack of style. Having worked with most of the prominent designers from Indian fashion fraternity, Hina launched her own multi-designer store by the name Ara Fashions in Dubai. Hina has worked with top designers like Rohit Bal, Manish Malhotra, Rajesh Pratap Singh, HSY, Savio John, Wendell Rodrigues, Ritu Berry, Pradarshini Rao, Varun Bahal, Farah Khan, Mandeep Kapoor and JJ Valaya, to name a few. My wife is always very confused when buying clothes. Hina, tell me, what should she look in when she has to buy?
Depends on the occasion she wants to go for. Like, what do you want to know?
Yes,
like for the festive thing or for casual?
Let's say she wants to buy something for a festive to start with.
For the festival occasion or for a wedding, if she has to go for a function or something, we've got a beautiful saris, collection of saris over here. They are not like those normal saris. We have lehenga saris.
But not everyone can wear saris easily, right?
They can wear. Actually, we make their life more simpler because we have we stitch the saris and give it to them. So they don't have to do that normal pleating and all that.
Oh, really?
So when they have to wear, they can wear it like a normal skirt, and then they can just take the pallu and it's like a normal sari. So make their life more, we know those ways and techniques to do it. And here in Ara, you go to see, we have lots of designers, as we have told you, Nita Lulla and Rimple and Harpreet. So these designers are very good in their saris, actually, especially they make those lehenga saris which are stitched saris, and also they do pant saris. They do drape saris. So we have in saris also, we have variety of saris. These are not like those typical normal saris which we used to wear some few years ago, but these are all different type of saris.
Keeping in mind her complexion, is there any tip?
If the woman, she is very fair and she is like on a very like fairer complexion, she can go for some nice bright vibrant colors like blues, greens, emerald greens, blues, nice, oranges, corals, pinks, fuchsia pinks, bright pinks and all. If she's on a darker side, also these colors will suit her, but even pastel colors like pinks, peaches, onion pink will suit her. All these shades will look nice on her.
Summer's approaching. Anything that to keep in mind about fabric?
They can go for nice voiles, cottons are there, light cottons are there, lawns are there, lawn fabrics are there. We can go for linens. Again, in linen there are textures of linen. So lots of fabrics you can play with. Thank you so much.
We have actually learnt a lot. So go Ara, go shopping.
I am Rajiv Reddy, CMD Country Club. You are watching Hospitality Buzz.
Hospitality Buzz has so much more lined up for you after this quick break, so don't go anywhere.
Hospitality Buzz Season 2 in association with Homes R Us, simply homemaking.
Top hospitality companies of the world look for the best candidates.
Give yourself an opportunity to pick the right candidate for your company.
Featuring the latest news from the hospitality industry. Network with the top industry professionals.
Advertise with us
and grow with us.
Hospitality Buzz, the inside scoop.
Hey! Money, hey, Mr. Money, why don't you come on over here? Money.
Chasing loans for your business can be tiring. At RAK Bank, we bring them to you with RAK Finance Loans.
Hey, Mr. Money.
Signature by Sanjeev Kapoor is something when you walk into the space which has that warmth of an Indian. You can only deliver best when you are using best ingredients, when you are using best talents, when you are using best technique.
Good chefs leave their mark. Great chefs leave the signature. Hospitality Buzz Season 2 in association with Homes R Us, simply homemaking.
Thanks for joining us once again on Hospitality Buzz, the Inside Scoop Season 2. Now, learning is a continuous process. The more you practice, the better you become. Every week on Hospitality Buzz, we have an expert who showcases their skills as per the industry standards. Take a look at this and why not try it for yourself?
today's tip, we are a little confused. I have onions here, garlic here, green chilies. I don't know what chef is doing. Chef, what are you going to do today?
I'm going to show you some kitchen tips, which is easy. These are simple green chilies.
Yes.
Okay, so this is very simple trick. You need to remove the stem like this and keep it in freezer.
So if you remove the tip and keep it this like this in the freezer, it stays for long.
It stays for long.
What are you going to do next?
Okay, now we have onion here.
Okay.
Okay, which I already peeled.
Yes.
I'm going to show you how to hold the onion and the knife properly.
Okay.
What you have to do, you have to do your finger like this.
Okay, so you basically are sliding the knife on your finger.
On fingertip. Now we cut onion like this, this way. We will turn it from this side.
Okay.
And slowly we'll cut this like this.
Okay.
Okay, now we'll divide the onion from middle.
Okay. Great. This is so fine.
Here we have some garlic. This is whole garlic.
Yes.
What we will do, we will just press it. All the cloves are separate. We have ball. Two similar size ball.
Okay.
Don't do anything, just cover it. Shake it. Okay. Here you can see.
That's magical.
All the garlic are peeled.
These are wonderful tips. I'm sure people will love it and try it at home.
The hospitality industry is full of icons and legends who have worked incredibly hard to get to where they are today. Well, Raj is with one such decision maker who's going to tell us about how his vision has shaped this next property.
Hospitality Talks brought to you by Khalij Times, keeping track of change.
If it's hospitality, it's me. Today we are talking to Esmeralda Van Wyk of Nofara Cafe in Dubai. With over 15 years of extensive hospitality experience, Esmeralda has been involved in over 6 pre-opening of restaurants. She has worked with various nationalities in the UAE with a very strong passion for hospitality. Esmeralda believes in not only meeting but exceeding guest expectations. Exceeding guest expectations. I love this statement. Tell us, how do you do it? How do you exceed?
You know, I think it simply comes down to not saying no. It's literally listening to your guests' needs, what they want, what they're really craving for, and simply making it happen.
Tell us about this Nofara Cafe. What does it stand for? Is it a local brand?
Nofara Cafe is definitely locally born. It's a unique blend of cafe and bakery, simply providing wholesome creations, homemade food, and we do support local as well as organic wherever we can. It's simply standing for everything we're all familiar with, and be it international expats or local. It's home cooking, the way your grandma would have made it. Maybe with a twist here and there, but simply doing good ingredients really well.
Organic is the keyword right now.
It is indeed. I think there's such a lot of buzzwords at the moment in the food industry, be it local, be it organic or sustainable. Those are all things you need to stay on trend with, especially in this industry.
So tell us more about the cafe. Where is it located? How did you come out with this concept?
The first cafe of the concept we opened was in JLT. So we're currently in JLT in the Y Block at Swiss Tower. And again, it was simply at that stage a growing area. It was literally evolving. It was a great location with both businesses as well as residents. So we've opened in 2013 April, so just going on 2 years now.
Okay.
And literally growing since the day we opened our doors. We've been very blessed.
Apart from the organic servings that you do, how are you unique to your offerings?
We're simply unique by basically offering you whatever you need. If it's going to be a corporate catering, we'll provide it for you. If it's going to be your little one's birthday party, we do an elaborate custom-made cake for you. We literally do cover all of those. We join markets, we reach out to communities through charity works. In general, I think it's just sticking to a concept of it's homemade and it's scratch-made.
So you have 2 cafes in Dubai?
Correct. We've got JLT, obviously, which was the first store we opened, and then Bay Square, that obviously opened early in 2015 as well, down in Business Bay.
Any plans of going outside UAE?
Never say never. We're working with the international holding company. So yes, the plan is there, but not obviously in the short-term period.
Al Tamimi Investment is the owning company, right? Tell
Correct.
us more about.
Al Tamimi Investments is a Dubai-based holding company.
Yes.
With extensive selection or range, if you want, of businesses, and not just the UAE, but the wider Middle East as well as the United States. So definitely a well-known international company. Just bringing in different ventures from all over the industries and spectrum, and providing them with the holding company and support, and obviously being successful.
Perfect. I'm quite impressed with the quality of cafe, food and beverage that we serve here.
Thank you.
Wonderful. Thank you very much for your time,
Thank
Ms.
you so much,
It was very
nice meeting you.
Hospitality Talks brought to you by Khalij Times, keeping track of change.
This is Hospitality Buzz, the Inside Scoop Season 2. Every week, we give you an exciting opportunity to join the industry. So if you're interested or you think you have got what it takes, why not log on to hospitalitybuzz.com. No applications via email, please. Let's take a look at our vacancy of the week.
Gloria Hotels is looking for a cluster director of business development. Candidates with similar experience in star hotels preferred. Log on to hospitality.com to apply.
It's now competition time. Take a look at this simple question related to our show today and send in your answers to email at hospitalitybuzz.com for a chance to win. Good luck.
A lucky winner can enjoy a complimentary one-night stay for a couple in Dubai suite with breakfast at the Oris Metro Central Hotel Apartments by simply answering this question. Where is the Oris Metro Central Hotel Apartments located? Send in your entries to email at hospitalitybuzz.com.
Hi, I'm Sanjay Kapoor, General Manager of Oasis Mall, and you're watching the Hospitality Buzz.
Time now for a quick break. However, when we return, we have lots of fun and entertainment lined up for you. Don't go away.
Hospitality Buzz Season 2 in association with Homes R Us, simply homemaking.
Hi, you're watching Sanjeev Kapoor Khazana, the #1 channel on YouTube on food in India. One of the top 10 food channels in the world. Sanjeev Kapoor Khazana.
Reel Media Productions Dubai for all your video production needs. With the best and latest equipment, well-experienced, cooperative and knowledgeable crew. Our happy clients include Twelfth Reel Media Productions Dubai. Call 04-369-7712 or email production@twelfthreel.com.
Fine dining is an art mastered by Sanjeev Kapoor at Options, located at the Convention Tower, ground floor, Dubai World Trade Center, bringing you the treasure of Indian cuisine with impeccable hospitality. Specialized in corporate, social and private functions with daily live entertainment 8 p.m. onwards. Don't miss Options Lounge. Add spice to your life. Step into Options by Sanjeev Kapoor. It's pure class. Call 04-329-3293 or 4. Free valet parking.
Hospitality Buzz Season 2 in association with Homes R Us, simply homemaking.
For those of you who aspire to cook like a pro, up next we have The Big Dish, where we have selected a chef who's going to show us how to cook a special recipe. Let's see what they have in store for us today.
The Big Dish brought to you by Electa, making you feel at home.
Kebab is generally known as a non-vegetarian delicacy. Can it be vegetarian? Let's find out. Chef Chandrachud Singh, right?
Yeah.
What are you cooking today?
That beetroot can be a good kebab.
Beetroot?
Yeah, of course.
Wow.
Generally what we do at home, we boil the beetroot.
Okay.
But somewhere it lost all the nutritional value.
It loses the value.
So I'm just going to roast in a combi oven. Then
So you have the roasted beetroot here?
Yeah. I'm gonna add some ghee.
You could use olive oil.
You can use like, but like ghee is plays a very healthy role in your life. Then you can add this beetroot. Now we will add some spice in that, powder spice, salt. You can add some cumin powder, mashed potato. And now I'm gonna add in this like some chana powder. Now it's almost done. So we are going to make like some plum chutney.
Plum chutney?
Yeah. I'm going to make the relish.
Okay.
So I will use some vinegar in that, 2 spoons of sugar. Now we'll add some spice in that to make it more healthy. Some bay leaves, then cinnamon. Now we're gonna add that plum. When it gets ready, just meantime we just make the stuffing of the
you cook
kebabs.
it well?
Yeah, actually like to make it softer. For stuffing we will use some olives, and stuffing is on your hand. If you want to make it spicy, you can do that. And with this I will add some hung yogurt. We'll add some chopped ginger, some cilantro, cumin powder to me.
The cumin powder.
Yeah, of course. And like little bit green chili.
Okay.
Make sure
depending on how chili.
Yeah, but make sure your chili has to be seedless.
Very different actually.
Yeah.
So this is your specialty.
Yoga, yeah, of course.
How much do you want?
Because then it's fine. If I'm a spoon, it's fine. Now we'll cut the small balls and this top.
And fill it up inside.
Yeah.
Okay.
Make cavity. We'll use ghee to grease the pan.
So this gives it the color.
Yeah.
That we need.
Just give the color and it's not lose the healthy properties of beetroot.
Yes.
Now we are going to put some cashew nut on the top.
Cashew nut on top?
Yeah. To give it crunch, you know? Yes. Your relish is done.
Okay. So you serve this with this relish?
Yeah. It's ready to plate.
It's ready for a bite.
Yeah, of course. I'm gonna add some beetroot and sago papad. Crisp.
Can you make them at home? Or
Yeah, of course.
You can buy them from the market as well?
No, you can make it at home.
Okay.
You have to boil the sago and then you have to add just quite beetroot juice in that.
So
now we'll finish the plating with the help of the reductions.
Okay.
It's the orange and berry reduction. Your beetroot kebab is ready.
Wow, this looks beautiful, healthy, tasty.
Easy to make at home.
Great. I am not waiting to try it right now and must try for home. If it's hospitality, it's me.
The Big Dish, brought to you by Electa, making you feel at home.
Now, learning from a genius doesn't necessarily make you a genius. However, of course, it does help. Up next, we have a master chef, Sanjeev Kapoor, to show us a special technique. Let's take a look at the celebrity chef's hospitality tip.
Time for tip from Signature by Sanjeev Kapoor. Who does not love chaat? Oh my God, chaat is something which is, why do we have to talk about chaat now? I need some chaat. Whether it's golgappa, whether it's pani puri, whether it's dahi bhalla, what makes it special is the spices. And one of the things that I love the way chaat is done in UP, especially Western UP, is the kind of chili that they use. And that chili is the yellow chili. That chili, you use it, it's little smoky, but it's very spicy. And when you use that, your chaat gets that edge. Difficult to find, but once you get it, you're traveling next time to India, make sure you go there, find it, keep a packet with you. Just sprinkle a little bit of the yellow chili powder and taste your chaat then.
Well, I'm afraid that's all we've got time for this edition of Hospitality Buzz, the Inside Scoop. However, we will be back again next week from another fantastic UA property. In the meantime, please do write into us to email at hospitalitybuzz.com. And why not join our Facebook page, Hospitality Buzz, for the latest updates. It's time now for Raj and his rapid fire round.
So all set for my rapid fire round?
Absolutely.
I have a few questions. First thing that comes to your mind.
All right.
First of all, I need some reactions. You come home from a busy day of work. I'm sure in F&B you have a lot of work. You come home and the house is messy.
You know what? Then that's a horrible one. Then my maid didn't rock up. That's terrible.
So who's in trouble? Maid?
Probably, yeah. You know what? No, it's a home to be lived in, so it won't be dirty. It might be messy, but you know what? We live there. It's not just something on show.
Reaction, cockroach.
Kill it. The biggest question.
Reaction, ice cream.
Yummy.
You love it?
Yeah, absolutely love ice cream.
Do you believe in magic?
No, I don't actually. I think it's simply a way of probably cheating people out of not seeing how you get to the end result.
Are you superstitious?
Not at all, no.
Not at all?
No.
Last but not the least, how do you celebrate your victories?
Every day to me is simply a celebration. It's self-satisfaction from a job done well.
Perfect. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much.
Very nice talking to you.
Brilliant. Cheers. Thank you.
Rolling.
Slices.
So bhai.
No, that's your personality. You should actually. Why not?
इसकी आवाज़ ठीक है? इसकी आवाज़ की प्रॉब्लम नहीं है? वो आवाज़ तो रहने This is a kitchen, yeah.
This is our tagline for this season.
Okay, say again.
If it's hospitality, it's God.
आपने वो मतलब दिखाने के पहले मैजिकल बोल दिया यार.
Hey, jaldi shooting karo.
That's perfectly all right.
Hospitality Buzz, the Inside Scoop Season 2, brought to you by Hospitality Group, best jobs, best candidates, and latest hospitality news in association with Homes R Us. Print partner, The Pro Chef. Radio partner, 106.2 Hum FM. Media partner, Worley Media. Transport partner, Aroma Rent-A-Car. Wardrobe partner, Ara Fashion. Production partner, 12th Reel Media Productions, Dubai. Marketing partner, Colors FZE.